little consolidation coming in here in the past 4 weeks. Not a little, I guess a lot, because every time we try to go up there and we get close to that 1635 area, we get a nice little pullback in here. So we're going to need some more volume coming in here for the rest of the week to kind of get us. You can see that this week and last week both had longer upper wicks than the body. So that's going to be something to keep an eye on here on the weekly chart. But all in all, we're getting close to that upper Bollinger Band. Our high in here is at 1635. So that whole area right here is going to be a problem for us once we do kind of get up there closer. Now we are down around 17 cents on the day. We are still trading below 16. So that's going to be our first hurdle. Anything above there, obviously, we're going to be looking at that 1635. To the downside in here, we have 1508 as our first support. And then we have this 9-day EMA right here. That's currently sitting at 1481. And then we have that 200 SMA down here. That is currently sitting at 1384. But watch as these move and see how these are going to adjust being supports accordingly going forward in here, depending on how quickly we are going to be moving up or down in here in the overall stock. Now, our RSI is relatively to the upside in here as far as being overbought. Our RSI sitting at 64. So it's nothing really to worry about, but we are closer to overbought than we are neutral. So we kind of have to keep that in mind if we get a slight little push in here. Our IV rank is sitting at 20, which means we have right around a 37-cent expected move priced in by this Friday. Next Friday, we have 88 cents. And then the following Friday, it's looking like Ivy is going to be expanding in here. We have a $1.22 expected move, and that is going to contain our earnings cycle, that expiration date. So January 22nd is going to be our earnings catalyst in here. 23rd is going to be that expiration cycle that we're going to be looking at with that volatility. And you have right around a $1.22 expected move priced in there right now. So we're going to see how that changes the closer we get to that earnings date. But again, we're going to be watching this 1635 and the 16 area and this 1508 in here. We're going to see if we can bust out of this kind of consolidation zone in here between these two key levels of the 15 and the 1638, right? So we're just going to keep an eye on this stock closer we get to earnings to see if we can get a move in here one way or the other. So again, let's keep an eye on American Airlines. We have earnings coming up January 22nd. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.